Hi guys and welcome back. I'm Ailey if you're new, and today's video is going to be a tutorial on this eye look I am living right now. I don't think I have ever done anything this beautiful in my entire life. Yeah, I'm going to toot my own horn because I'm absolutely in love with this eye makeup. So the inspiration for this look was two things. One was Jen. I think I've mentioned her in like my past 3 videos. So Jen, this look is your fault because the kind of reddy, orangey, yellowy top bit was, after I saw the look that she did, I just absolutely had to do something incorporating that, and the rest of it was trying to find a way to use this. Now, this obviously came in the Valentine's Day mystery box thing that he did, and when I saw it I was really quite disappointed. Well, I wasn't really disappointed, but I was kind of disappointed because I was like, what the fuck am I gonna do with this? So I thought, right, I'm gonna have to incorporate it into the eyes somehow, and I'm living, like, I'm not even cool enough to say that thing. I'm not like, I feel like really old when I start to like say the lingo that younger people say these days, and yeah.
I'm down with the kids.
So this is the eye look right here. It is, it's not difficult to do, but it does take a little bit of patience. It takes a little bit of time. You need to really blend. I mean, the eyeshadows that I used the James Charles palette, and the eyeshadows, they need a little bit more time to blend. They need a little bit of a different technique, but when you get them right, these shadows are amazing. They are so beautiful on the eyes. I obviously used that in a couple of other shades. At this point I'm rambling, so without further ado, I'm just gonna let you watch the tutorial. If you enjoy it, obviously I would love if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. Well, usually. I mean, I post 3 times a week, regardless if I miss the days. I think it was Monday, Thursday, Saturday this week, but I always try and make sure and get 3 up anyway. I think I rambled long enough, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in my next one.